Hey guys, this is Josh Tech here, and for today's video guys is we're going to unbox another smartwatch from Colmi, the L10 Smartwatch. Let's go. Hey guys, this is Josh here. Welcome back to our channel. Yes, I'm sorry guys, it has been a long time since I have not uploaded any videos yet, so I'm quite busy with work, but now we are back. So what we have here is the L10 smartwatch from Colmi. Okay, so if you're interested guys, you can tap on the link on the description box and you can get this at SHOPEE. Alright, so without further ado, let's open the box. So here we go, our Colmi L10 smartwatch. Wow, I like the design guys. It's very simple, yet it looks really nice. We have here at the back, so we have here specifications. We have the screen, so 1.4 inches, that's 360 by 360 pixels, and the battery capacity is 230 milliamperes, and the waterproof level, that's IP67, and it's compatible with iOS 9.0 and also 5.0 and above. Alright, so I'm very excited to see this watch, and let's open this one here, and voila guys, it's already open. So this is the user manual guys. So as you can see, the L10 smartwatch, it comes in 3 different colors. So we have pink, white, and black. The design guys, it's actually circular. Alright, so guys, we have here the instructions, so if you have any questions, just refer to your manual. Alright, and then what we have here in the box, so we have here the additional screen protector. That's nice, thanks Colmi. And then we have here our watch itself. I actually got the black one. And then we have here the charging cable, so it has Colmi branding. Alright, I have always been a fan of Colmi guys, so I have already tested their products and it can really last for even a week guys. So I'm not being biased, it's just really my pure review of this product. Alright, so now let's take a look of our L10 smartwatch. So as you can see, I like the strap. It's made of silicone. Okay, and then we have here Colmi branding in this area. And then let's take this one out guys. So it says here, please charge before use. So let's take this one out. Okay, and voila guys, I like the design. It looks really minimalist guys, and I like the circular design also, since I don't get to have a circular watch here in our channel. Okay, and I hear these are the sensors and the charging pins guys. Alright, so also the strap, it has this texture, so it adds elegance to the watch. Okay, and we have here on the right, so we have here the power on and off button, and on the left there is none. Okay, and as you can see here on top, so we have this more like metal style here, metal look a lot like style. So let's turn it on. It's actually, yeah, it is booting up. So let's take a look at this watch. So we choose English. Alright, so it says here, please download and install FitCIoudPro L10. So we will be right back guys, so or while I do the setup. Okay, alright guys, so this is actually the FitCIoudPro. So I have already scanned this one, so I'm just going to download this one and set it up. Alright guys, so we are back. So this is our L10 smartwatch. So I have already downloaded the FitCIoudPro and I already set it up. So okay, we have here again the watch. So let's try to check the watch face guys. So we have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Okay, no, we only have 6 watch faces. So in our case guys, is I'm going to use this one, the black one, since we have here the black watch. So I like this one guys because it's really minimalist. So let's check guys the feature of this watch. So let's try to scroll down. So when we scroll down guys, so we have here a new style. It's my first time to see this style. So we have here like the brightness here. Okay, and then settings, I think this is the battery, and a call. We also have here the voice call. Okay, Bluetooth name. Alright, and then we swipe up, we have here the messages, and when we swipe to the right, we have here the shortcuts, and then when we swipe to the left, we have here the different widgets. So here, so as you can see, the heart rate, so like that, guys, and then sleeping time and the weather. Okay, so when we tap this, or when we press this button here, so we have here telephone, okay, contact person, we also have here call records, voice assistant, we also have data, workout. So the workout, guys, it has lots. We have walking, running, hiking, cycling, basketball, badminton, soccer, rope skipping. All right, and then we also have here workout record, and then heart rate. So as you can see, guys, the heart rate is actually not working if you are not doing it right. So let's check our heart rate. So as you can see, the sensors are lighting up. So this is our heart rate, guys. So it is at 90 beats per minute. All right, and then what else? We have also sleep, so your sleeping time, and blood oxygen level. This is the SpO2. This is also helpful, guys. So it's SpO2, it's the sensor is actually red. So can you see, guys? That's really nice. And then we have here messages, weather, and we also have here female. So this is you can set this one on your phone. We also have here music, so whether to skip to other song, and you can also minimize and also let the volume up. Okay, and breath training, this is nice. If you want to meditate, I like this feature. We also have here stopwatch, okay, and timer, okay, especially if you want or doing something. Okay, we have here alarm clock. This is also nice. And also collection code. Okay, we have QQ, WeChat, Alipay, PayPal, guys. Wow, they have PayPal in here. Okay, so let me know, guys, if you want me to make a tutorial on how to use those feature, especially the PayPal feature. Business card, and then we also have here the calendar. Okay, and then set the time. Okay, we have here calculator. Okay, it's nice. Find my phone. Okay, and camera remote control. So guys, it means that if you are far, and then far from your phone, and you want to take a picture, then you can just do it using this feature. We also have here settings. So we have here the menu style, style 1, style 2, style 3. So it's just all up to you, guys. We have here display, watch face switch. Okay, we're done with this one. Okay, and then we also have here battery and vibration ring, language, QR code, password, and then we have here system shutdown and reset. Wow, guys, so it has actually lots of features. Okay, so let me wear this one, guys, and let's see how it looks on my wrists. So this one, guys, is really minimalist, so it's nice if you're really want this kind of watch, but this is very inexpensive, guys. So take a look at that. It's another great watch from Colmi. Okay, so guys, I will be testing this product out, and let me know if you want me to make a review on this. Okay, and then in my initial review, guys, this one is a really good watch. It's a perfect for present. So if you want, guys, you can check the link in the description box, and also you can check the feature in there, the list of the feature, and it's very affordable, guys, so you'll never go wrong with Colmi. Okay, once again, guys, this is Josh, and I will see you on our next video.